Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm telling you about Indeed and how you can post a job on Indeed in 2021. So let's get into the video. So this is your Indeed screen. All you have to do is go right here, employees/post job. Click here and we will be ready to post our job. So guys, this is the screen you get, Indeed for employers. Let's get started. Company name for this job, let's just say how to digital. Then select an option of hiring. Let's just say I am the hiring manager. Job title, just say looking for an editor. Location, just add your location right here. Select your country, whatever country you are in, and your location. I'm gonna add this. After that, can this job be performed remotely, meaning primarily from the home? We'll add remote. Let's just say this is temporary due to COVID-19. How many hires? We can say 2, always hiring. How many people would like to interview? So I'll just say I'll interview 6 to 10 people. Continue. All you have to do is just answer these simple questions and your job will be posted. Okay, account info, your name. Let's just add how to digital, your company name. You can add your company name right here, your phone number right here. Company info, company size, let's just say 1 to 49 people. How did you hear about us? You can just select anything. I'll go with social media. Continue. Now we have to add job details. You have to add what type of employment is it. As we said earlier, like I will go with this is a full-time job. What contract type? Let's just say it's a temporary contract. You can add whatever you want to right here. How long is the contract? I mean, how many months that person will be working? Let's just say months. Is there a planned start date for this job? Let's just say no for now. Or you can add any, if you have a plan, you can add yes simply. Salary, you can add range up to, starting at, up to, or etc. I'll go with up to. Let's go with range. And I'll go with 20 to, okay, it's per year. I'll go with per hour, and it's 20 to 25 per hour. You can just add whatever your salary range is. Application settings. Now, how do you want to receive the applications? I'll go with email. Do you want applicants to submit a CV? Yes. Is there any application deadline? No. Or you can add yes if you have limited time, or you can go with no. And then we can say, if you add yes, then you can add any date, month or year. I'll go with just no. Daily updates will be given to this email. Okay. And do you want to let applicants start the conversation? I'll just said no, so I could reach them. After that, you can see employers assist. Indeed cuts out work for your removing candidates you're not interested in. Let's just go with 10 days. After that, job description. Now here you can add any of your description you want to add. So I'll just go with we want someone with good editing skills. Simple as that. You can add any description you want to. Are you taking any additional COVID-19 precautions? Let's just say no for now. You can just leave it right here and then continue. Yes, I agree. Once you're just filling out this form, the more information you provide, it will be better for you to find an employee that you're looking for. After that, we're gonna add our job details. Now it's find the right candidate, applicant qualifications. Here you can ask any question you want to your employee, or there is also a list of questions if you want to, or you can browse more questions. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Or if you want to ask any question like previous experience or any link to their previous work, you can ask right here. Then continue. Now it's a preview job post. This is what my job will look like. Looking for an editor. You can see right here that you can see different outlooks like desktop, and on mobile it will look like this. So it's great. If you want to edit, you can just edit it right here. And then application settings, we know that the applications will be sent to this email, resume, required document, and time deadline is 10 days. This is just a preview for your job. You're just gonna click continue if you agree to all of these. If you want to edit something, you can just edit it right here. Now, if you want to sponsor your job, right here we can sponsor our job. Currency USD, okay, then we can just go with any range. Let's go with 14, whatever your budget is. Set an end date, okay. After that, you can see right here your estimated results. Save and continue. Now, to post a job, you have to add your billing address. You can add anything now to post a job, you have to add a billing address. All you have to do is add your address right here like I did and continue. After that, guys, you have to provide a proof of your identity. If you haven't done it yet, continue. And once you identify your identity, all you have to do is just click post and your job will be posted. Now, my job isn't sponsored yet because I didn't add the payment information. You can just add right here and your job will also be sponsored. Now you can see this is the job we just posted. Looking for an editor. See, they're saying you've completed your first job and got it. So guys, this is how you can post a job on Indeed. So if you want to, I'm just gonna now leave it right here. It's so easy, guys. You just saw what I did. This is how you can post a job. It's very simple and you can simply post any job on Indeed and get an amazing employee for your company. So guys, once you have posted a job on Indeed, now let me give you a quick tour how you can actually find different jobs on Indeed. For example, you are looking for a job instead of posting a job. So all you have to do is, you can see it's very simple. There is an option given of what job title and then where. So you can just simply go ahead and type, let's just say we want work from home. And then where, whatever your city preference is, you can just simply type here, or it will automatically find jobs near you. So you just click on find jobs and the jobs will appear. You can see there are thousands of jobs available for you. All you have to do is just click on any of the job. Okay, I'm just gonna click on this one and the details of the job will appear. Now they are saying that you have to apply on the company site. Now what you will do is just simply apply on their company site, and whatever their requirements are, you will fulfill them. Or someone like us, like we posted a job and we said that we want to be informed on email. So if someone has written that then you will send your resume on email. It's very simple. You can find any job you want to find. After that, there are also different options on Indeed. Let me give a quick tour to that also. So there is a messaging option. What happens is, when someone will contact you, for example, the job we posted, if someone has any question or if they want to reach us, they can simply message us right here, or you can actually upload your CV also, so the people will be able to see your CV here also. After that, there is a notification option, of course, for your job, the job you have just posted or the job you are looking for. All the notification will be sent here, and then there is a profile option where you can go to my jobs, the jobs that you have saved, or any reviews that you get, or your email preferences, search preferences, and different settings. So guys, yeah, this is Indeed. It's so simple to post a job or find a job on Indeed. It will help you find your dream job also. So be creative with your resume and find your perfect job. I hope I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.